If you don't start prioritizing us Lough residents, you won't get a vote from us. It's as simple as that. We demand a sea change in the way and the priorities of our governance. So this has been an absolute, as you say, apocalyptic crisis around the Lough Shore. The stench is hit more places than ever this year. Last year, it only was really that bad with a really strong odor at some parts of the loch, but now it really has enveloped most of the Lough Shore. All five parties, including the opposition party in Stormont at the moment, were responsible for going for growth and greenlighting relentless sand dredging. So not only were they pushing for more extraction, more exploitation of our loch for decades, but they were pushing the agricultural sector to rapidly ramp up its profit-making schemes. If you don't start prioritizing us Lough Shore residents, you won't get a vote from us. It's as simple as that. We demand a sea change in the way and the priorities of our governance.
Lough Neagh Partnership last year spent public money on surveilling me online and 5 other people to watch what I was saying, to watch what I was doing. And then they sent slap litigation to 6 of us to silence us. And that's what it was for. Put the environment first for once. The Lough Neagh Action Plan does not go anywhere near far enough. And even we have it there, sure, what's happening? Nothing's happening with it. There's still 22 points, apparently, that have yet to be implemented.
We have to keep raising awareness. And all I can ask, we have to ask, be honest, Andrew Muir, Environmental Minister, what has his background regarding environment and agriculture? It's known. All we're hearing is talk, and no action. The action needs to start not today or tomorrow, yesterday.